Hello guys, Potato Gamer 57 here, aka Maya, and today we're going to be playing some chapters. This story is Inject Me Sweetly. I've played it, but I've never recorded it, so I kind of want to record it. This is my favorite thing. I'm going to have new reactions and choose new things, so yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, I'm gonna name myself Patience. Because I did that like one time before. Oh crap, no. Give me 2 S's. Okay, choose your style. This one. This one. Oh, it has 2 S's again. Okay, great, let's go. Allie. Tell me again why I go to these stupid movies with you. You know movies with creatures freak me out. Because the movies you pick suck. Yeah, Patience, stop being chicken shit. I hate you. No, you don't. You love me and I'm doing it for your own good. You have to stop being so scared. It's my brother's fault. Okay. Her friends. I'm really skipping through this part. I kind of want to get to the good part. But, note to self, 1, get new friends, 2, get new car, 3, stop being so afraid of everything. Your phone beeps out of warning, the battery is running low. Of course. Crap, I can't believe I forgot to charge it. Oh well, what's the worst thing that could happen? Don't say that. Turn up the radio and drive. The houses are starting to look run down and the streets are dark. I'm sorry guys if I sound tired and quiet. It's like 1:45 in the morning, so I'm very tired, but I have nothing to do, so this area of town isn't familiar. I didn't think, did I take a wrong turn? Where are all the trick-or-treaters? Without warning, a blur of motion darts in front of your car. With a blood-curdling scream, you slam on the brakes. The inky blackness of the night makes seeing past the dim beams of your headlights nearly impossible. Crap, did I hit something? Please don't let me have hit some little kid. Cautiously opening the door, you peek outside. It appears deserted. What is your imagination? Was it your imagination? Hello? Is there anyone there? When there isn't an answer, you try to start the car and fail miserably. It's well and truly dead. Just freaking great. Just freaking great, right? Am I right, kitty cat? Of course. Of course I am. Always right. Okay. When I said that what's the worst thing that could happen, I didn't mean this. I told you not to say that. Say it anyway. Okay, I'm going to call out to get me. Try to flag down the car. Try to flag down the car. Even knowing that hitchhiking is a terrible idea, there aren't a lot of options for getting out of this mess. Okay. The video's up. Someone picks me up, kills me, and dumps my body. But for 5 minutes I'm alive in their car. I'll be warm. Christ, I'm freezing out here. Grabbing your pulse, you climb out the car door and lock the doors. The cold wind buffets against your exposed skin, making your teeth chatter. This was a bad idea. It's not safe out here. To be out here like this with my condition. Wait a few more seconds. This place can't be that deserted. 15 minutes out of the cold. You decide to take it anymore and start walking to find help. Abandoned school looms ahead. Its motor and crumbling and dead ivy vines creep through the broken windows. With my luck, this creepy-ass school is haunted. When did this become my life? Tucking your chin into your collar, you pick up the pace. But then your nose reaches